Hello friends, I'm Sujata. Once again, welcome back to my channel. The topic I'm discussing today is Arucoria or Christmas tree. It's the indoor, outdoor, and ornamental plant. It's slow growing and long living tree plant. If cared properly, it can survive more than 100 years. It makes this plant your true companion for the whole life. Christmas tree can also be used in Christmas for decoration purposes. General care tips for Christmas tree or Araucaria. Water need for Christmas tree. Water them enough to maintain the moisture in the soil. Check the topsoil and water only when the soil is dry. They do not prefer excess moisture or waterlogged soil. You can sprinkle water once in a week to keep the plant leaves hydrated. Sunlight for Christmas tree. They prefer being exposed to bright, direct sunlight at least for 4-6 hours a day. They thrive even in partial shade or bright indirect light. Temperature. Temperature conditions for Christmas tree. They prefer warm climatic conditions. The plants can tolerate heat but are not resistant to cold and can wilt and die if exposed to excess cold. They are well suited for the temperatures indoors or to be places in warm corner outdoors. They prefer high humidity. Special care for Christmas tree. They do not require much care. Do not prune or shape the plant. They naturally grow in shape. The terminal bud should not be removed. The leaves at the base can turn brown. These can cut off from the plant. Fertilization requirement for Christmas tree. Fertilize the plants with mild liquid fertilizer during the growing period. They can be fed once in 14 days. Avoid feeding them during winters. Over fertilization and addition of fertilizer rich in nitrogen can show adverse effect on the plant. Pets and other problem from Christmas tree. The plants can be prone to pests like mealybugs and thrips. Other than the attack of pests, one of the most common disease is stem rot. The stem starts to change the color to brown, which eventually spreads and results in death of the plant. You need to change the watering behavior if you notice the brown leaves or leaves of your Christmas tree are drying. Propagation of Christmas tree through seeds or stem cuttings. Propagation of Christmas tree through seeds are rare and difficult. Fresh seeds should be selected and seedling can take a long time to develop into mature, a long time to develop a plant. The seeds can be planted either in pot or directly in ground. In case of pots, place a single seed per pot. Sow single seeds per pot. Place the pot in shady, warm region. Water enough to provide enough moisture. Propagation of Christmas tree through cuttings. This is not an easy method and requires good expertise and proper conditions. Stem cuttings can be made during winter. Only the terminal stem should be used as stem cuttings. The cutting should contain minimum a whole of leaf and flowering bud. The stem cuttings can be inserted in potting mix and left it in a warm spot with partial shade and water to maintain enough moisture. So friends, this is all about the topic. Hope you enjoy the video. If you like it, press the like button. If you're new to my channel, then subscribe to my channel. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching.